Nice one, guys. So basically, I have 1 fingers of ripe banana and 1 tablespoon of organic sea moss right here. All right, now I'm gonna show you what you can do, and you're gonna add some almond milk to it, unsweetened almond milk. So you want to put the banana straight into the blender, and also we're going to put the sea moss into the blender, and we're just gonna add like a cup of milk. All right, and you want to blend up all of these ingredients together. So let's blend this, guys. Nice one. So I'm using the purple sea moss, and this is what happened. Look at this, guys. Wow, that is amazing. So it's ripe banana and sea moss, 100%. You guys will love this. You can make it at home. For you to get some good sea moss, please check out oceanmoss.co.uk, and it is also on Instagram. For more tips, follow Chef Ricardo Cooking.